In this video, we will be going over how to properly clean and maintain your King Kone Pre-Roll Machine. To start off, you will need to remove the clear loading trays, the two side troughs, and unlock your skirt so that you can be able to remove it as well. You are then going to lay your machine on its side with one of the two triangular vents facing up. You will need a flat-headed screwdriver to gently pick out the triangular vent. Using that same flat-headed screwdriver, you will get under the head of the pin. In doing so, you will be slightly freeing the pin from being flush so that you can go in with your needle nose pliers and remove the pin completely. You will then want to turn the machine over to the opposing side and repeat these steps on the second set of vents and pins. Now the top half of your motor mount should be able to lift off. Next, you will want to go in with a soft bristle brush of your choice and brush away any debris or product that the cover contains. Once you have completed brushing away the material, you will want to go in with an air duster or an air compressor to forcefully blow away any remaining product. The same process will apply for the motor itself. You will use your soft bristled brush to free up and sweep off any debris or material. Some crevices will be compacted with product, so a pick or a flat-headed screwdriver would do the trick when trying to loosen it up. Once again, you will go in with the air pressure that you have on hand. These steps should lead you into having a clean and maintained motor. Now that the interior has been taken care of, we will replace the pin and vents. Place the machine back on its side and make sure that the machine is capable of performing its up and down motion smoothly without getting stuck. If you are not finding these results, assure that the two link arms are not getting caught. Adjusting them should allow for the smooth up and down movement that we are seeking. Once you've checked the movement, you will want to line up the holes precisely to replace the pin into its position. Once completed, the triangular vents should snap right back into place. You will need to repeat these steps for the second side. Next, you will go in with a dampened towel or a gentle glass cleaner to wipe down the surfaces of the machine. If any crevices at this point catch your eye, you can go in and free them up with the item needed. This isn't a necessity, but the cleaner the machine is, the better it will run. There is no answer to how frequent one should be cleaning and maintaining their product. This is due to a variable of how often a customer is using the machine and what material is being used. Closely monitoring your machine and analyzing the cleanliness of it can help you develop a cleaning schedule and can ensure that your machine stays running at its highest potential. We can now wipe down the components originally removed and reassemble the machine so that it's sitting nice and pretty. Given that the side contraptions are what catch all the excess product, they're going to need a little bit more of attention when cleaning. As you can see, there's a lot of potential for debris and material to build up. Neglecting the maintenance of your machine will lead to malfunctions down the road. So it's extremely important to get your whole team on board with the maintenance and upkeep of the machine.